Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the cute little project we're making today. Isn't it cute? So let me show you what I did. The first stamp set we're going to use is this one called Hippest Hippos, and this is a free set during celebration. So for a qualifying order you can get this free from the celebration catalogue. And it's all these little hippos. I should say I have the window open because it's been very hot here in North Lincoln, so I do apologise for the noises. The birds are having a ball today, but it is slightly cooler than it's been, and they are very grateful, I can tell you. Right, let's get stamping. We are going to stamp one of our little hippos in Memento ink because we want to colour in using our Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. And let's stamp down, give it a good press. There we go, there's our little hippo. Give him a cleanie quickly using our simple chamois, and then I'm going to use the sentiment from Party Puffins, if I can get it out. This one here, happy birthday. So let's just put this across our block. Also stamp it in Memento. And there we go, happy birthday. Now I'm going to colour this in, so I'm going to use, mainly going to use here is Smoky Slate and some petal pink to colour my little hippo in. So I'm going to put you on fast forward and I'll be okay. So we have a little feather, what do you call it, a little hippo here coloured in, and I just cut him out using the matching hippo dies, and they're also another free item in celebration. Then I have a piece here, Granny Apple Green cardstock, and let me see what this measures for you. This measures 13.85 by 9.5 centimeters, and I cut out a circle using the layering circles die, as you can see, and then I cut out another circle using the Mellow Mambo, and then made a frame by cutting a further circle out, as you can see. Our sentiment is here. Let's cut this out using our trimmer quickly. I tend to cut things out quite roughly. I don't measure when it comes to things like this. Just go with the flow. And a little bit more from either side. Lovely. Okay, so now we can get rid of the trimmer, and I've got here a piece of the Mellow Mambo cardstock that we cut our circle from. I'm just going to map our sentiment onto this, so let's do that quickly. Just like that. Okay, and like that, really simple. Okay, so let's start assembling. We have here our card base, which is Smoky Slate. So standard A6 card base, that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of basic white cardstock that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. I actually got two of these pieces. One's going to go on the front and one on the inside. So there we go. And let's see, one here on the front. Lovely. Okay. Then we are going to stick down our piece here of green apple green. Now I'm only going to put adhesive around the edge, not around the circle, because we want to be able to tuck. And that just goes something like that. Now where's my lid? Unless I put things back on straight away, they will take a walk for sure. And let's get our circle here and put a little bit of adhesive, and I'm just going to use wet glue as it's much easier for this. There's a little frame. Whoopsie daisy. Now I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on the bottom of my hippo, and this time I think I am going to put some dimensional adhesive on the top of my hippo, just so it looks like he or she is popping out of there. I think it's a little girl. Well, it's my card, so I'm going to make it a little girl, because that's what I like. Just like that. Okay, now our sentiment also will get popped up. And put that there. Okay, then I have some of this crinkled seam binding, which we're going to attempt to tie a bow with. This can be quite forgiving if your bow is a bit of a mess, as mine tend to be. Cut the tails off that, and then use a glue dot just to put that on our card. And there will do me. And then I have some here of these matte decorative dots, and these are the in colour dots. And I know this is Granny Apple Green, and this is meant to be Parakeet Party, but the colours match beautifully, I think. I'm just going to use a few here. Just like that. And there you have, they're the two cards, my two little hippos. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. As I said, if you want more information, it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!